Hi YouTubers, just a quick video on the update on Millie's repair. As few of you have seen, she failed the MOT and she's been in the garage ever since getting some repairs done to her, mainly welding and rust. So I thought I'd do a video just to show you how extensive and how horrific the rust really is and how much work's been done, and keep a record just so when I look at the bill in future months time and sobbing over my bank account, I know that all the work went into keeping her going. And as much as I have a love-hate relationship with my motorhome, I think if you buy an old motorhome, you're going to expect to do some welding, in fact a substantial amount of welding. And as on the Fiat Ducato website, apparently you don't own an old Fiat Ducato unless you've pretty much welded the whole engine department. So this is the state of the welding. So there you go, not one of the fun videos unfortunately, but I thought I'd just record and log the progress of her repair, and hopefully next week she'll be finished and we'll pass her MOT, and then we can go out and start having some adventures. And also I still haven't got around to fixing the water system yet, so there's still a lot of work to do inside of it. If you're interested in keep up to date with how Millie's getting on, then click subscribe and get notified of any future videos of mine and Millie's adventures. So see you later, bye.